I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select an action. Zoho Campaigns. Give here the data center name. My data center is zoho.com. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So, please visit the Zoho API console. Add client. Server-based applications. Give here a meaningful client name. Give here the homepage URL and redirect URIs. So copy it from here and paste it here. Create. Copy the client ID and the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Accept it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to the Zoho Campaigns site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Zoho Campaigns. Thanks for watching.